guys, I'm Julius Riv Armamentano from Tu Brazil, and yeah, let me venture you in our beloved town.
San Miguel pinasahi nga banwa, paraiso nga napasad sa gugma. Puloy ang sang mga baganihan, kadungganon nga mga kaliwatan. Banwa nga matutom sa pagtuon, sa pagpangaman sa palaabuton. Banwa nga matinuon sa Dios, gugma sa pamilya ang nagawagkos. San Miguel banwa ko, bansagon ang imong ngalan karon. Tugtog sa katugtuban, banwa sang maalwan, matahong mapisan kag maalam, dungganon kag baganihan. Banwa nga ginbugayan sang uma, katiling ban nga malapit sa suba. Ginatigay sang mga pagtilaw, pagpanikasog nagapangibabaw. Gikan sa dako nga paghimakas, ang mga bugay dili na maghupas. Manggad sang mayag nga pamatasan, ipanugli sa mga kabataan. San Miguel banwa ko, bansagon ang imong ngalan karon. Tugtog sa katugtuban, banwa sang maalwan, matahong mapisan kag maalam, dungganon kag baganihan. O San Miguel banwa ko, bansagon ang imong ngalan karon. Tugtog sa katugtuban, banwa sang maalwan, matahong mapisan kag maalam, dungganon kag baganihan. San Miguel!
Hello guys, so let me introduce you the Aganorist Dam. This is San Miguel's one of the most important irrigation systems here. So, the name San Miguel for the municipality of Iloilo City, Philippines comes from a combination of a local legend and historical event, later formalized through official decree. So, the legend, a story recounts that three patron saints, Saint Catherine de Aragon, Saint Thomas de Villanueva, and Saint Michael the Archangel, were being transported to different parishes, that the caravan carrying St. Michael's image refused to continue its journey to Alimujan, stopping instead at the present-day San Miguel. This was interpreted as a divine sign leading to the town's dedication to San Miguel Arcangel. In the 1805 event, for further cementing the association, a band bandits attacked the town in 1805. Legend says San Miguel Arcangel appeared, causing the bandits to flee in terror, saving the town. Official naming of the town, while the legend and the 1805 event contributed significantly, the municipality was officially named San Miguel in 1852. Under its first captain, Captain Tiburcio Montaño. Before this, the area may have had other names or been simply by its location. So this is the brief history of San Miguel, Iloilo. San Miguel Iloilo's name originates from a combination of legend and historical events ultimately formalized in 1852. Under its captain, Captain Tiburcio Montaño. The legend centers the miraculous intervention of San Miguel Arcangel, whose image, carried by a carabao, refused to proceed to its intended parish, stopping instead of the present-day San Miguel. This was interpreted as a divine sign, further solidifying the name, the town, miraculously saved from bandits in 1805. An event attributed of the Archangel's intervention, while the exact date of its founding as a settlement is unclear. The official establishment is a municipality dates to 1852. So there are some people and the one local hero that we are believing. The people is Captain Tiburcio Montaño, and our local hero is San Miguel Arcangel, who saved us from the bandits. So that would be all. I hope that you've learned something about my presentation on our hometown. So let me show you some clips of my hometown.
Nililibing ang buhay pa. Hindi na makalaya. Dalaw mo ko bawat gabi.
Maayong adlaw sa inyo na. Dali ka mo kay Ilaga.
May ramdam pa rin sa dilim. Hindi na nanaginip. Hindi na mapagising. Pasindi na ilaw. Minumulton ako ng damdamin ko. Ng damdamin ko. Hindi mo pa kailangan isalin. Hindi pa ba sapat magpapahirap sa'kin? Hindi na ba mamayabang? Hindi na ba mamayabang? Makalaya. Tinatalo mo ko bawat gabi. Wala mang